In life, truth always lies behind, silently. By the time it appears, many things would have already gone out of our hands. And that's why we have to see every detail before it appears, accurately, precisely, and comfortably.
Prima Diagnostics opened its doors to the public with its first flagship center in Jayanagar on March 19, 2017. And I'm very proud to say that in a short span of 2 to 3 years, we have spread our wings all over Bangalore and even to Mysore with 10 centers today. At Prima, we have the best radiologists, the best pathologists, the best technologists, and all other staff always focused on just one thing, that every customer gets the best and most personalized attention and walks away with the most accurate results.
Built around the 4 pillars of patient centricity, high-end technology, world-class clinical expertise, and patient experience.
Prima Diagnostics is offering radiology, lab and specialist consultation services by expert doctors. Here we cater to all sorts of patients from different clinics, hospitals, corporates for the regular health checkups and pre-employment screening.
Equipped with the latest 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT, 3D, 4D ultrasound, BMD by DEXA method, digital X-ray and EEG and ENMG services. Prima combines latest technology with accurate reporting.
At the laboratory division of Prima Diagnosis, our aim and vision is to cover all the laboratory diagnostic tests available in the arena of diagnostic tools under one roof. So we have prepared a laboratory setup such that all the tests can be done. When a patient enters our center, it is that he need not go to any other place for any of other solution. We are going to give them the complete solution to the patient diagnostic problem. In this phase, we have established one central reference laboratory wherein we have got all the divisions of the laboratory like hematology, special chemistry, biochemistry, immunology, hematology, histopathology, cytology, and we have got the latest equipments available in the market. And also to mention that man behind the machine, that is the pathologists, microbiologists, biochemists who are dedicated and they are working round the clock to make this laboratory a success for us.
Accreditation by definition is a public recognition of the achievement of accreditation standards by a healthcare organization, demonstrated through an independent external peer assessment of that organization's level of performance in relation to the standards. NABL, NABH and ISO all have their own set of standards, and the HCOs aspiring to be accredited have to implement strategies to measure up to these standards.
Prima Diagnostics as the most effective state-of-the-art MRI machine. Our machine has key features like it has the most homogeneous magnet with a very high gradient. Also, we can perform all kinds of high-end studies like MRI, cardiogram, angiography, dynamic breast imaging, etc. At the same time, this machine provides the highest resolution images, which helps the radiologist to give a very accurate and confident diagnosis. Therefore, the clinician can provide the most effective treatment for the patient. We have a 128 slice and 2 16 slice CT scanners in our center. Now, these machines provide a very high clarity images and we can perform all types of high-end scans. At the same time, we have very good post-processing and 3D tools.
Hi everyone, this is Prima Diagnostics, and here at Prima we have this unique facility called Mobile Diagnostic Center.
Prima Mobile Diagnostic Division powers the public to have diagnostic services done at their home. The mobile diagnostic service comes with digital X-ray, ECG, pulmonary function test, and home-to-home blood collection samples. The Mobile Diagnostic Center helps patients who are incapacitated due to disabilities or have trouble breathing.
The Wellness Center at Prima Diagnostics is aimed to reach out and extend care to the community closer to home.
At Prima Physiotherapy, we customize the program and tailor-made the program according to the patient need. We reach to the root cause of the patient. We treat in a such a way that this don't reoccur again and again.
Come home to Prima. Come home to good health.